Hello friends, welcome once again on this channel Foreign Languages, and today we are doing a new exercise regarding passé composé. Yes friends, so in this exercise I will teach you how can we change a sentence of present tense into past tense. Yes friends, so we start the exercise, and before doing this exercise we just take a look at the grammar portion. Yes friends, so to make the passé composé of any sentence we use a certain formula, yes, which is, you see, yes, subject plus a verb plus participe passé plus object. Okay, so to form the, yes, passé composé, past tense sentence in French, we use this formula. Sujet plus a verb plus participe passé plus object. Sujet means subject, and then we use present conjugation of a verb, and then we use participe passé. Participe passé means second form and third form of the word. Yes friends, so it is used for both, for simple past and for present perfect tense. Yes friends, so the passé composé you can use for simple past and present perfect. Okay, yes, for example, in English we say I spoke, I have spoken, he spoke, he has spoken, I wrote, I have written, he wrote, he has written. So for both of the tenses we can use passé composé. Okay friends, and then I tell you how we change the verb into past tense, means how we use the second and third form of verb. So for that we use another formula, another trick. So in French, you know that we have different types of verb. We have categorized verbs into three parts, that is er, ir and re. So er word, er ending verb changes into e accent. Yes friends, so er ending verb changes means we take the verb like parler, and then we change the, then we replace the ending part by e accent. Yes, so as we take parler, so parl is the stem part, then er replaced by e apostrophe, then it becomes I spoke or I have spoken. Yes, parler means to speak. Okay, so it is er category word. Now the next is I category. In our category word, I are replaced by I. For example, we take finite word, fin is the stem part, I are ending replaced by I. So here you can see on the screen fini, fini, right? So it means I finished, I have finished. Okay, next is re category word, re replaced by you. Example, we take entendre word, ent stem part, re ending part replaced by you. Yes, now then it becomes entendu. Here you can see entendu, entendu. It means I heard, I have heard, right? So this is the formula, this is the way how we change the verbs into second or third form. Okay friends, now we come back to the exercise, and yeah, changer ces phrases or passé composé means change these sentences, yes, in the passé composé. Okay, so first one is il apprend la langue française. Yes, he is learning French language. Now we change the sentence into past tense, so it will become he has learned foreign language. Yes friends, before changing any verb you can just imagine the sentence in English, then you can write your answer in French. So it is my suggestion for you, as I always tell you, yes, that before answering any question you just think the answer in your mind in English, then change into French. So here we use a verb word, and then we use past form of the main word. And if you can do the exercise, then you just pause the video, you just yes, pause the video here, then you just do the exercise yourself, then you can recheck your answers with my answer, right? Yeah, so this way you can examine yourself, right? You can evaluate yourself, you can do the exercise first, and then you can yes, you can match your answers with mine, right? Yes. Okay, so first one is il apprend la langue française, then you can write il a appris, il a appris la langue. Yes, so we can write il a appris la langue française. Okay, so this way we can do this exercise, right? Yes, so here I take the present conjugation of our word that you already know, and then we take, yeah, past form of apprendre word. Apprendre means to learn. It's a re category word, irregular word, so it has the, you know, specific past form, ri, s. Okay, yes, so an about conjugation I repeat for you. Yes, je ai. Okay, it means I have, you have, il, elle a, he has, she has, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have, and then il, elle, on, they have. Okay, yeah, so this is the conjugation for avoir word. Okay, now come to the next sentence. Les enfants boivent il du lait chaud. In the sentence, the children do they drink hot milk? Chaud means hot. Yes, be careful. Enfant means child. Means sorry, children. Boire verb means to drink. B-O-I-R. Boire means to drink. It's a I category word. Now we change it. So the first part we write as it is. Les enfants we write as it is. Then we use avoir word. Then yes, pronoun, and then main word. So we can write les enfants ont il bu, yes, du lait chaud. Yes, very good. So this is how we change the sentence, right? Bu is the past form of boire verb. Again, it's an irregular verb, right? So it has an irregular past form. Les enfants ont il bu du lait chaud. The children have they drunk hot milk. Okay, so this is the past form of the sentence. C'est long. Now number 3. Est-ce que tu conduis une voiture? Yes. Do you drive a car? It's a interrogative sentence, so we can say as-tu. As-tu conduit une voiture? Yes, friends. So yes, here we write first helping verb, then main verb, then past form of conduire verb, conduire. It's a Yes, conduit. Sorry, CONDUIR. It's a IR category verb. So we write this one, conduit, right? Conduit in Batir means did you drive a car or have you driven a car? Okay, anything you can say. So this is the past form of the sentence. This way you can change it in past tense. Now, from sentence number 4. Zeri or lan apreka java set emission. It means I laugh until I cry after watching this show. Now we change it. We use yes verbs 2 times. Okay, Zeri or lan apreka ze view set emission. Okay, so this is how we do it. Zeri or lan apreka ze view set emission means I laughed until I cry after I watched this program. So this way we can change it. Okay, we have to change the conjugation. Very good. We have to change the past form of the helping word and main word. Yes, our for conjugation we write ai, you know, both side. But for ri, the past form is ri, and for var the past form is view. It is irregular verb. So the past so the past form is also, you know, specific, also irregular. Right. Now the number 5 is la lape kur revi me il pad encore la course. It means the rabbit runs very fast, but yes, it is losing again the race. The rabbit is running very fast, but he is losing the race again. Now the past tense we can do like lalape a kuru revid me ila encore perdu la course. Right? Lalape a kuru revid me ila encore perdu la course. The rabbit ran very fast, but he lost the race again. Okay, so now here the subject is lape, so we use third person singular conjugation of our verb. Okay, so we use a la, so we use il conjugation. La lape a kuru. Yes, kurir, courir, it's a ir category verb, so the conjugation, the past form is cour, kuru. Trevit me ila. Again the subject is what? Third person singular. We use a. Okay, our verb conjugation, just we write a and then perdu. Perdre, prdre is, it's a ir category. Okay, and then so we use the past form du. Okay, now come to the sixth one. Nu eteniu la lumiere e nu fermo la porte means we switch off the light and we close the door. Okay, so now we can change in passé composé. We can write nous avons éteint la lumière et nous avons fermé la porte. Yes, it means we have switched off the light and we have closed the door. Okay, so this is how we can change the sentence, right? Okay. So friends, this is enough for this video and I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe the channel and please share the video with your friends if you find it really useful. Okay friends, thanks for your kind support. Thanks for watching.